Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest not saving pins on iPhone. First of all, you guys will have to check your internet connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi to rule out network issues. Then make sure you are logged into Pinterest. Pinterest may force you log out. After that, you're going to restart the app by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and finding Pinterest and swipe it away. This clears temporary glitches. Then also make sure to restart your phone if that does not work, to refresh your board. Then go ahead and open your app store, search for Pinterest, and then make sure you have updated the app to the latest versions. Updating it will ensure you have all the latest files and the bugs won't bother you much. And yeah, safety tips: do not save pins from unsafe websites that look suspicious. Quick fix: log in from Safari once, then try saving again in the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.